beautiful. So we've just arrived at Huntington Beach. Really happy to be back here, one of my favourite places in California, and I am just about to head to Toes on the Nose. I had a surf lesson last time with them, and now I'm going to go and do a yoga lesson with them. So I'm just going to head, it's about a 5-minute walk down the way to go to the yoga lesson. I did have a yoga class with them last time, but it was raining. Luckily, it's sunny this time, so it should be a lot better. Let's go. Oh, it's a big one. Whoa, gnarly.
You're going so fast you can't actually see what it is.
Whoa.
You go too fast? Nah, never.
So, apparently California is very dog friendly, isn't it?
This is true.
So this is, what do we call this, a dog park?
Yeah, this is the dog park at
Pasea. So here we go, we're going over here. I'm just going to make sure. So we saw this yesterday. It's a little like lifeguard house, but look, Pasea. See what they did there? Back in Huntington Beach. It feels almost like putting on a good pair of slippers. This place is just incredible. I love it here. I'd move here. I know I mainly say that about everywhere I go to, but here, this is the one.
to get the couple around and drive.
Where do you see the sport of beach volleyball evolving?
Man, it's limitless, truly. You know, volleyball in general is the #1 sport for girls and women beat to beat. Yeah, that's a beautiful thing. It's an NCAA collegiate sport here in America. That means people can get scholarships to play beach volleyball and indoor volleyball. Enjoying the sport, so that to me is a dream come true. I know we have members on the city council here.
Shiny doggy.
It's like a dog snack shop.
Love bakery.
Sparkling.
Just got that. Dog bakery.
So, explain where we are.
We're at Pacific City, which is a, I guess, shopping complex, but it's got all the shops that you possibly think of. There's some things to eat, drink. It's a very chilled out environment. It's really nice. We've eaten here a few times around here, two different places, some nice bars. Obviously you've got things like Lush, there's H&M, there's Free People, there's all sorts of things.
So downstairs is basically all shopping, and then upstairs on the first floor, look there, you can see Old Crow Smokehouse. This is where all the bars and restaurants and stuff are all on the upper deck. So this is right next door to the Paseo Hotel. On this side, it's probably a 2, 3, 4 minute walk from like the downtown area.
So
And
it's
then-
really not far.
As ever with HB, you're never far from the sea.